Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have an account. Now make the profile resume ready. Start by signing in and opening your profile. Once there, check that your username is professional because that exact handle becomes your link. Make sure a public email or contact method is set so employers can reach you, and add a concise display name for clarity. These small settings determine how your profile appears when pasted on a resume, so adjust them now before you copy anything. Once your account basics are set, focus on what recruiters see first. Add a short bio and location that match your resume, then create or enable a profile README to summarize skills and highlight key projects. Pin 3 to 6 repositories that best represent your work, and write concise README intros for each so reviewers get context fast. Make sure those repos are public, and confirm their names are clean and descriptive. This increases clarity when someone follows your profile link. Now get the actual link you'll put on your resume. Open your profile and copy the browser address. It follows the pattern Github. .com/your username, then paste it into your resume or application fields. Once done, click the pasted link to verify it goes to your public profile and displays pinned work. If something goes wrong, make sure you spelled the username exactly, that your account is public, and that the repos you expect to show are not private. Correcting those fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.